Today I'm making spinach and goat cheese stuffed chicken breasts. This recipe is so healthy and so easy to make, it only takes 30 minutes, so let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. The next thing we're gonna do is saute our spinach. We wanna cook the spinach just till it's about wilted. The next thing I'm gonna do is add some of the goat cheese. And what this is gonna do, it's gonna make the spinach and the goat cheese, it's all gonna mix together and be really amazing. So watch as this comes together. The last thing we're gonna do is add a little spice with the red chili flakes. Now that our spinach is done, we're gonna set it aside and work on our chicken breasts. The first step with the chicken is that we are going to cut vertical slits, starting from left to right, all the way down. The really important thing to know here is that you don't want to cut the slits too deep. You only really want to go about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch down. If you go too far, what's going to happen is your spinach and goat cheese is going to fall all the way through, and that's a bad thing. The really great thing about cutting slits into the chicken is not only that we're going to add flavor with the spinach and goat cheese, but also that it's going to allow the chicken breast to cook a lot faster. Now that we've cut slits into all of our chicken breasts, the next thing we're going to do is add our spinach and goat cheese. Grab a little bit of spinach and goat cheese mixture, and we start to stuff it into the slits of the chicken. Our next step with the chicken is to put on our salt, pepper, and paprika. Our final step is to take the goat mozzarella and sprinkle it all over the chicken breast. Now we're gonna pop these chicken breasts in the oven and cook them for about 20 to 25 minutes. I just took the chicken breasts out of the oven and they look amazing. The cheese is melted perfectly and a little bit brown on top. This is exactly what I was hoping for. The smell is also incredible. I can't wait to try them. If you like this video and you wanna see many more, hit like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.